Hey there, I'm Candis Hidalgo, Houston Suburbs Realtor with Real Broker. Come take a look at this brand new, gorgeous model home here in the Woodlands Hills. This is the J. Patrick model home, brand new, just opened, and it's gorgeous from start to finish. I live here in the Woodlands Hills, so if you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out anytime. But before we go inside, this is a 4,400 square foot model home, which is quite a bit more than the base square footage of this plan, which is just under 4,000, but it's 5 bedrooms, 4 full baths, 3-car garage, so many gorgeous upgrades. Without further ado, let's go take a look. Okay, here we are inside, and as you can see, it has this beautiful 2-story grand entryway. And just to give you an idea of floor plan, off to the left here, we have one of the first guest suites with an ensuite bath, and you do have access to the garage here, the 2-car garage. The other one is through the utility room, which I'll show you in a second. Off to the right here, you have the formal dining room with access through a butler's pantry to the kitchen. Family room here, grand 2-story wall of windows, and the breakfast nook over there with slider out to the back. Now upstairs, let's do the right first. It's going to be another bedroom with an ensuite bath, and then off to the left here is 2 additional bedrooms, an additional full bath, and a game room and media room. You're going to love that area up there. I'll show you that when we get there. And before we go through the walkthrough, where we also have this home office here with Frida. Hi, Frida.
Hello.
And you have beautiful French doors and view out the front of the home. We'll just go through and I'll let you peek at things as we go. 2-story garage with epoxy flooring. I love that they have windows in the garage. Spacious coat closet. These are great for sheets. This is the first bedroom. You can use it as a guest bedroom. It would be perfect for that because it does have its own ensuite. Tile flooring. I love the look of the tile flooring. It's almost like river rock. Has a nice texture to it. Full bath and shower with the tiling going all the way up to the ceiling. Right, and let's take a look at closet size. Double door, great closet size in there. And then this wood paneling on the back is a style choice. And we've got wood flooring throughout the home. Huge formal dining. And some more detailed wood paneling on the wall there. And before we go into the living room, I think we're going to sneak around here through the butler's pantry. I love the glass covered uppers. Those are beautiful. Generous sized walk-in pantry there. Into your gorgeous kitchen. Nice range hood. 5-burner gas stove. You have these gloss uppers kind of around, selectively chosen around the kitchen. This would be great as a coffee bar or wine bar. And you have your breakfast nook and sliders there. Family room is just gorgeous. Grand 2-story. You have that wow factor, linear fireplace, but then real deck stone all the way up. It's gorgeous. Before we go through the rest, I'll take you to the backyard. And this is a built-in kitchen. This is an option in the J. Patrick home. Nice extended covered back patio. This is great for entertaining. They've done some really neat things with the landscaping in the backyard. They're all options as well. And as you can see, there's a little bit of a retaining wall here in the backyard. It's a huge lot. Something that's pretty unique to the Woodlands Hills area, because the topography here is something you don't see a lot in Texas, at least not in the Houston area. You might see it a little bit more in hill country in Austin, or definitely California where I'm from. These retaining walls were very common because it's very hilly. So many things you could do with this backyard. I love what they've done with it here. But as you can see, two very spacious side yards. So all the J. Patrick homes here in the Woodlands Hills are on 75-foot lots. So it's going to be a huge lot, and you can do so many different things with it. Add a pool for sure. Let's go look at the primary suite before we head upstairs. Shower bath here. Linen storage closet here, which is very practical since it's right off of the laundry room. This laundry room is extended also. It has a sink, huge width. I don't know what the exact width is, but just I can tell you from just standing in here, it feels very generous in size. You've got these built-in cabinetry. I love the cabinets, love the color choices in this home. And let me show you the additional garage. So this is the third garage. Also has epoxy flooring, which helps keep things a little cleaner. And that's an option as well. And let's turn the corner here to the primary suite. Love this bedroom. It's just gorgeous. So this is an option. It's a built-in storage and shelving. Perfect to have this separate seating area. And then into the master bath, which is something truly spectacular. I'll show you the closet in a minute. But this shower, it's a Texas-sized shower, but it has, they call it the wet room, because it has the sleek bathtub right in the shower. So really easy for a cleanup. And you've got kind of these built-in nooks. Let's count the shower heads. 2 here, 2 rain shower heads, so 4 shower heads. Truly a master luxurious shower. Okay, so you've got a vanity here and a vanity there. Let's take a look at the wraparound walk-in closet. And then here is the water closet tucked away over here. I love how everything, you can just tell everything was so thoughtfully designed. More storage, linen storage, everything was thoughtfully designed. Linen closets, and just the flow of the house feels so natural and, you know, designed for being lived in, if that makes sense. Obviously all homes are meant for that, but sometimes the flow is funky, and it's not so with this one. It flows so beautifully. We're going to head upstairs. Okay, and you have this landing here, and to the right is a guest bedroom or an additional bedroom with an ensuite bath, and off to the left is the game room and additional bedrooms. But I just want to take a moment to pause here and appreciate the view on the overlook. It's, I don't know, I don't really have a word for it. It's a wow factor, but it's like you definitely feel like the king or queen of your castle standing up here. It's spectacular. All right, so heading into this bedroom. One thing I will say about all of the bedrooms, they're very generous in size. Nothing feels squished. Tile all the way to the ceiling. And then your closet is in the bathroom on this bedroom. To the front side of the upstairs, there's a massive game room here with wet bar and drink area, and then the media room. You have a step up here. They've done some pretty wood paneling detail on the back, and then I just love these movie style lights. And then this door here is access to the attic. So it just opens, you walk right into the attic. So I love how convenient that is. We've got some built-in sound system here, seamless in with the walls. But this is just the entertaining space up here. Got some bar seating here. Let's take a look at this wet bar. Drink refrigerator, wine fridge. Okay, let's head over to the other side with the additional bedrooms. You have a nice storage closet here for linens or board games, which is perfect right off the game room. Full bath with dual vanities here. Which is great if you have a couple of different kids trying to get ready for school in the morning. So let's take a look at each of the bedrooms. I love the huge windows. Really nice sized closet. I mean, I just have to take a minute to appreciate the view out of these humongous windows. And the closet, another good sized closet with built-in storage. Okay, just one more look. This gorgeous view. Take it all in. Beautiful. All right, that's a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this model home tour. Like I said, I live here in the Woodlands Hills, and I do these videos for you. So if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out, and I'll see you on the next tour. Bye-bye.